Okay, first time for Swiss Mobiliers, number 00 Mata, number 19 Santos, number 6 Guerra, number 17 Carrillo, and number 40 Yangana. For Lumina Care, number 7 Joseph Pan, number 10 Evan Taylor, number 12 David Santos, number 0 Josh Cabral, and number 3 Ryan Panigi. Official score is Jalen and Reyna.
The guy was just shirtless, bro. Freaky. He showed me some of the. Tristan went to that. Yeah. Family friend?
First possession belongs to rejump. Redo the jump ball. First possession belongs to Lumina Care. Jumper by Taylor in the rebound is Gana. Aldana, baru kedua. Mata, Chris Guerra to Mata, to Carrillo to Santos, 6 seconds to shoot, Santos, floater number 1 foul. McIntosh comes back to the basket, easy 2. Lumina Care strikes first. Mata, napunta kay Trey, short, rebound Carrillo. Carrillo open up with Jay Neville. Rebound is Guerra. To Eldama. In and out, rebound foul. Back to Kamigi. Pass, too hot to handle. Turnover for Lumina Care. Carrillo spins. Shot is well for Carrillo. Kamigi spins. Shot. He's going to the line for 2. Foul is on number 19. Thank you guys. Mark Santos first personal foul, first team foul. Ryan Kamigi will shoot 2 free throws for Lumina Care. First free throw is short for Ryan Kamigi. Second one, 6-11. Rebound ends up with Carrillo. Carrillo to Mata. Mata to Eldama. Screen by Esguerra. Mata to Esguerra. Mid-range Jay. Off. Rebound Taylor. Cabral. Layup bounded by Santos. Rebound Taylor. Taylor put back. Taylor drops it to Cabral. Stolen by Carrillo. To Mata. Pass. Intercepted. Recovered by Taylor. Ryan to Cabral. Cabral is no good in the jumper. Rebound down. Santos running jumper short. Offensive rebound Carrillo. Carrillo to Esguerra. Carrillo baseline jumper. Money! Back-to-back jumpers for Ronnie Carrillo. Working on against Carrillo. Layup is good for Joseph Pan. Mata steps stolen by Taylor. White pass to Pan. Pan and Lewis. Pass to Ryan. Ryan hesitation move. Pass to by Mata. Recovered by Pan for an easy 2. 6-4 in favor of Lumina Care. Esguerra to Mata. Mata to hold. Fresh 14 for the black shirt. Esguerra. Tumata. Ang dama to Esguerra. Carrillo, elbow J. Off. Rebound, Kamigi. Cabral. Reverse layer is there. Reverse Cabral. Lead is 4 for Rubina player. Esguerra to Santos on the one. Short, rebound Santos. Shot no good. He's on the foul by Church number 7. Joseph Brown, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws will be given to Mark Santos. First free throw is good for Mark. Two out of 2 for Mark Santos. Ryan to Pham. Pham to Ryan, 2-man game. Pham to Taylor. Took away by Aldana, recovered by Cabral. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. Took away by Aldana. Mata, behind the back pass to Santos. Easy goal. Deadlock 8 is the score. Pham, shot, no good. Rebound, Raya. Back at the shoot, back short. Rebound. Pham, reverse layup is good. Esguerra to Aldana. No good. Rebound Esguerra. Esguerra, shot is good. Good from Esguerra. Deadlock 10. Even score at 10 apiece. Pham to Ravian. Let it fly from deep to strong rebound Ryan. Ryan, jumper, in and out. Unlucky, rebound Esguerra. Esguerra to Aldama from deep, in and out. Taylor with the ball. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 19. Number 19, Santos. Second personal foul, 17 foul. First free throw scored for Cabral. One out of 2 for Josh Cabral. 1 point lead by Lumina Care. Esguerra, 10 seconds in the shot clock. Esguerra to Aldama. Santos to Esguerra. To Carrillo. Blocked by Taylor. Shot no good. Rebound. Pham. Taylor with the ball. Taylor behind the back pass to Cabral. Wide open three. Too strong. Rebound. Kamigi put back over. Shoots. Rebound Esguerra. Mata got it off to Santos for an easy two. Premier challenge from Santos. Overshoots. Rebound Aldama. Next subject. Aldama to Carrillo. Carrillo, traveling violation committed by substitution rep, sub. Carrillo for over. Taylor to McIntosh. Taylor turns the ball over. Ball ends up with Santos. Santos knocks it up to Mata. Short of the layup. Rebound Esguerra. Esguerra jumper, money. Lead is 3 for Swiss Mortgages now. Taylor, Swindley Kamigi. Cabral, Anton J, too strong. Rebound is Guerra. Last 10 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Ogod to hit the buzzer. Yes, sir! Ogod hits the buzzer with a 3-point shot. Official score 17 for Swiss Mortgages and 11 for Luminapir. Okay, back to the ball. 10-point possession belongs to Swiss Mortgages. Second point possession. Aldama to Ogod. Ogod to Javier, stolen by Cabral. Taylor. Poke away by Dalisay. Shot no good. Rebound Aldama. Counter steal by Cabral. Taylor from deep. Bang! 3-point shot is good for Taylor. Aldama will answer. Yes, sir! Aldama with his conversion of 3-pointer. 20-14 is the score. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 40. Number 0, Dalisay, sorry. Dalisay, first personal foul, first team foul. Kamigin to Cabral. Foul to Taylor. Hands the ball in play for Taylor. Lead is 3 for Swiss Mortgages. Screen by Amir Aldama, off target with the 3. Rebound Taylor. Taylor from deep. Unlucky rebound Esguerra. Esguerra. Shot no good. Rebound. Esguerra sends it to Javier. Javier to Esguerra. Esguerra from deep. Short. Rebound Ogod. Kick ball. Javier, triple stolen by McIntosh. Taylor, wide open play, makes them play. That's 3 consecutive 3-pointer for Taylor. 5 the ball game at 20. Unforced turnover for Swiss Mortgages. touch on Dalisay. 13 to shoot for Lumina Bay. Pam to Cabral. Ryan, fake to Pam. Pam inside, that is good. With Joseph Sam. 22-20 in favor of Lumina Bay. Again, we heard this whole game. So playing the semis berth, the semi-final berth. Auburn, shot, that is good for Auburn. Taylor, jumper, you is going over two. All good, well done. Auburn looking for a teammate. Eldama to Auburn. 6 seconds to shoot. Poke away, stick by Cabral. Pam, bringing on the board. Contact, gets the back. This is going over the line for Chance and everyone. Foul is at number 11. Timeout, Brett. Timeout, Chris Morgan. Auburn, first personal foul. First team foul. 5 minutes and 33 remaining in the second quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. "19 seconds to shoot for..." Sorry, that's end. We have an end one opportunity for Lumina Bay. Joseph Sam, chance for an end one. Think it's no good. Rebound, Pam to Kamigi. Reverse play is good. 28-22 is the score. Esguerra, pass to Mata to Dalisay, jumper no good, rebound, Kamigi. Cabral, pass deflected by Mata. Heya, one shot, no good, rebound, Auburn. Esguerra running baseline. Shot is good for Esguerra. "28-24 is the score in favor of Lumina Bay. Poked away by Eldama. Pam with the ball. He will be fouled by number 0. Dalisay. Second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution reps are done. Carillo for Dalisay. First free throw is no good. Santos for Auburn. One more free throw will be given to them. 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Second one, still no good. Rebound Kamigi, put back, no good. Rebound Pam, put back. Think it's foul. This is going to the line for everyone. Foul is on number 6. Esguerra. First personal foul. third team foul. Chance for an and one for Justice Hunt. Last 2 minutes in the second quarter. Bonus free throw number rebound Mata. Mata to Galisay. Galisay drive. No good. Rebound Pam. Pam to Rabia. Rabia from the way. Stolen by Mata. Mata. Third turnover. Turnover for Swiss Mountain. A minute and 38 in the second quarter. Bullet pass by Taylor to Town, clearing the middle. Sweet down by Taylor to Town. The lead is 8 for Lumina Care. Dalisay, jumper, money. Taylor, screen by Cabral, spinning the defense. Inside pass to Ryan, couldn't handle the pass. Pass to Hudson. Santos, baseline jumper, money! "12 seconds differential between game clock and shot clock. Ten seconds to shoot for Lumina Care. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Ryan, drive. No good. Rebound. Counter steal by Taylor. Taylor, deep short. Rebound Carrillo. Last 4 seconds. Santos, 1 second. Cut the end of the first half. Official score at the end of the first half, 32 for Lumina Care and 28 for Swiss Mountain.
Took away half the obligation that you had. Huh? You took away half the work you were gonna do. True that. This guy can't be complaining. Whoa, no, more like a third of the work I was supposed to be doing. Something like that, yeah. Not that much. How about they don't a third of your pay? Well, let me get used to this stuff first, and then... They're charging? I don't know if it's charging. Just turn it on, yeah? Is that charging? Dang, how do I... I don't know if it's off right now. Huh? Yep, chill, we're chilling. Where's Spider-Man? Huh? Where's Spider-Man? I am. Yeah, wrap it up, bro. Huh? You gonna watch it? Huh? Wrap it up. Sure, you gonna watch it?
Hey, back to the ball.
31st. Huh? July 31st. Fuck, that's ages away. Yeah, so yeah.
We're heading to the second half. Third quarter possession belongs to Swiss Mountain. This is the third quarter of our third game. Esguerra from deep, no good. Rebound foul. Cabral to Ryan. To the stricken Taylor, reverse layup, no good, rebound, Ogod. Ogod to Carrillo. Carrillo loses the handle, turns the ball over. Ryan, he's an opening. Transition layup is good for Carrillo. The lead is 6-4, looking at him. Esguerra, pass intercepted by Taylor. He's in the lead by Taylor. Taylor to Cabral. No good in the layup. Rebound good. Missed opportunity. Sorry, miss for Cabral. Carrillo. Carrillo, baseline jumper. Too strong. Rebound Santos. Santos long away. Report. Carrillo uses the win number 2. The lead is 4. Being leading again. Bam. Posting up, short and the layup. Rebound Santos. Santos to Elgama. Bullet pass to Esguerra for 2. The lead is down to 2. This is moving. Cabral, the foul. Stolen by Aldama. Aldama to Santos. Santos saves. Shot is good for Santos. Deadlock, 24 is the score. What a rally by Swiss moving. McIntosh to Taylor from deep, short, rebound, Kamiki. Hesitation move, layup is good. What a shot by Brian Kamiki. Omar from deep, short, Taylor taps it to Cabral. Cabral, Steelers layup, no good, rebound, Omar. Ogod, Martin jumper. No good, rebound, Carrillo. Carrillo, baseline jumper, still so strong. Rebound, Kamiki. Radio will ball. To Taylor. Last touch on black shirts. Possession, look like it. Last game for tonight, please be ready. Sub. Substitution break. Ogod for Matan. Our last game for tonight, Silog versus Taxmark Cafe. Please be ready. Pass on the way. Mata, breakaway layup, good rebound. McIntosh. Unlucky corner miss by Mata. McIntosh to Pam. Pam to McIntosh. McIntosh from deep. No good, rebound Aldama. Aldama to Esguerra. To Carrillo. Left layup is good. 5-ball game again. 26-3. What a game. Both teams wanting that top 2 seed. Taylor to Cabral. Cabral to Ryan. Both ways. Standing Mata. Mata with numbers. No look pass. Santos for the lead. Pass intercepted by Carrillo. Santos to Esguerra. Esguerra slowing it down. Aldama to Esguerra. Santos. Hook shot, no good, rebound down. Taylor, one-on-one against Aldama. Next sublet. Taylor to Ryan. Ryan fakes to Raidia. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Raidia from deep, no good. Rebound, Aldama. Aldama, Carrillo, Eagles. Pulls from the deck. His lips, hopefully he's okay. Turnover for Swiss Movement. Time out. score in favor of the small digits. Hey, back to the ball game. Swiss Mortgages with a 2-point lead. Last game for tonight, please get ready. Silog versus Taxman Cafe. Macintosh 1-1 ang Isabel. To Cabral. Cabral to Macintosh. Gives the ball to Taylor. Man-to-man defense by Swiss Mortgages. Took away by the side on behind. Possession remains with Luminaque, 7 on their shot clock, 7 seconds to shoot. Ryan, looking on against Esguerra, fadeaway Jay, morning, sweet move by Ryan to tie the ball game. 38 apiece, great battle between these two contending teams. Mata, tapang laki, Gray, in and out, rebound, Esguerra. Esguerra to Dalisay. Dalisay, jumper, overshoot. Rebound, ends up with Daber. Daber to Esguerra. Esguerra to Mata. Mata, wide open play, no good. Rebound, Pam. Pam pushing up the pace. Finds a mismatch. Wild shot, no good. Rebound, Esguerra. Dama to Esguerra, touch pass to Mata. Short on the back, rebound. Kamigin. Sorry, miss by Mata. Kamigin to Pam for an easy two and for the win. Two-point lead by Luminaque. Esguerra from deep, no good. Rebound, Mata. Well, Dama, floater is no good. Everything is not going for Swiss Mortgages. Cabral, challenges na dito sa batin. Very easy two. The lead is 4 for Luminaque. Winner of this ball game will be in the semifinals. El Dama from deep to strong rebound Javier. One more time for El Dama. This time he won't miss. Booming through for Charles El Dama. Cutting the lead to 1. 59 seconds left. Taylor took away by El Dama, foul on the floor. Foul on number 40. El Dama's first personal foul, first team foul. Posting up against Dalisay, he will be fouled by Orange traveling violation. Committed by foul. Turnover. Luminaque. Mata Esguerra. Esguerra hounded by two white shirts. El Dama fake. Foul on the floor, pushing foul on the zero. Cabral's first personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock is off. Last 14 seconds. Last 14 seconds. El Dama touches to Mata. Pass deflected by Pam. Ends up with Ryan. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. Radian within the buzzer. Macintosh beats the buzzer for two. Vision score 44 for Luminaque and 41 for Swiss Mortgages. That's the end of the third quarter.
Show? Show. Oh, you have digital ID now? Yeah. You don't have a digital when you're a learner?
Yeah, I think.
I don't think it's like trying. Oh yeah. And he's
Hey, back to the ball. This is the last and final quarter of our third game. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Lumina Care. Winner of this ball game will automatically be in the semifinals. Taylor, three-pointer is there for Taylor. The lead is 6 now for Lumina Care. Mata for Carrillo. Carrillo, jumper, money for Carrillo. The lead is 5. Intercepted by Mata. Great hands by Mata. Mata to Esguerra. Esguerra, took away by Cabral. Foul on the phone. Layup is good for Joseph Brown. The lead is 6 for Lumina Care. Ogon to Carrillo. Step up JB time. Great hands by Kenneth Cabral. Carrillo to Ogon. Ogon to Mata. Mata. Running jumper. No good. Rebound Ogon. Ogon to Esguerra. Esguerra calling by Cabral. To Carrillo. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation committed by Swiss Mobiles. Turnover. Shot clock violation. Shot clock. Oh, shot clock. Wala na oras. Shot clock. Shot clock. Shot clock. Taylor with the ball. Taylor to McIntosh. Foul. To McIntosh. McIntosh against Esguerra. McIntosh denied by Esguerra. Possession will remain with Lumina Care. 10 on their shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. To Cabral. Pop away. Possession remains with Lumina Care. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Cabral to Pam. Pam reverse layup. Never given Carrillo. Carrillo to Mata. Mata to Esguerra. Esguerra. Mata. Foul on Lumina Care. Who is fouled? Number 0. Cabral. Substitution rate. Cabral, second personal foul. First team foul. Dalisay po agad. 2 free throws, piliin sa Mata. First free throw is good for Mata. Two out of 2 for Mata. Cutting the lead to 4 for First Averages. Kamigi, dancing with Dalisay, stolen by Dalisay. Great hands by Dalisay. Esguerra, one-on-one against Kamigi. Contact, he gets down. This is going to the line now, and chance for the next one. Foul is on number 3, Kamigi. First personal foul, second team foul. Chance for the next one for Esguerra. Bonus free throw is good for Esguerra. What's the call, right? Time out. Mike Luminaker. Timeout, Luminaker, 5 minutes and 49 in the final quarter. One timeout left for Luminaker.
It's in class, right?
Yeah.
They said put all, you know how they said put all, like, you know how they tell you to put everything in your butt in, using plastic and using the entire
Hey, back to
time.
the ball.
That's insane.
4 minutes and 47 in the final frame. Again, winner of this ball game will be in the top 2 or semifinals. Loser will be endangering with entering the quarterfinals. Taylor for 2. Dalisay answer back to the center. Raylia higher than layup number 2 on Kamigin. Kamigin to Taylor, wide open play. No good. Off the target, rebound Carrillo. To Esguerra. Esguerra by Rebecca Brand. Dalisay, jumper. Money! Dalisay! 1 point game in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Cabral. Screen by Fam. Cabral to Kamigin. 6 seconds to shoot. Kamigin jumper. Money! Kamigin! Luminaker against the lead. 53-52. Mada to Esguerra. Esguerra to Santos. Baseline jumper short. Rebound sa Segmata. Mata to Carrillo. Carrillo, Elton J, short, rebound, taps 5. Saves guys, Carrillo, Santos. Dalisay, jumper, overshoots. Rebound again to Carrillo. Carrillo to Santos. Jumper, another rebound, this time Taylor secures the ball for Luminaker. 2 minutes and 39 in the last quarter. Bam! Season opener in the Time out! Swiss Mortgages. 2 minutes and 33 remaining in the last quarter. 55-52 is the score in favor of Luminaker. Both teams has 1 timeout left. Okay, back to the ball game. Swiss Mortgages ball. No. Inbound on Mark, inbound on that side. Because we're not getting the last 2 minutes. Inbound on that side. You cannot forward the possession. Okay, 2 minutes and 32 remaining. Mata Esguerra. Esguerra to Alabama. 10 seconds to shoot. Poked away, stolen by Cabral. Counter steal by Mata. Back violation committed by Mata. Possession, Louis Napier. Radio with the ball. McIntosh from deep. Too strong. Rebound is up to Taylor. Last 2 minutes. Taylor. Hounded by Aldama. Ryan Arvizo. The lead is 5. 57-52. In favor of Luminair. Mata Esguerra takes in to Aldama. Aldama jumper. Money for Aldama. A minute and 39 in the last quarter. Taylor running jumper, no good. Rebound ends up in Mata. Mata up to the races. Mata on the alone raises it. The lead is 1. A minute and 23 left in the final frame. Bam! Open away by Mata. Chance for this morning is leading the lead with this possession. Esguerra driving baseline to Mata. Touch pass to Santos. Chris Morgan is to the lead now. 58-57. Last 60 seconds. What a game! Cabral, hounded by Mata. To Pang, 5 seconds to shoot. Pang, rebound of Esguerra. Esguerra, pass. Esguerra throws the ball away. Turnover for Swiss Colleges. It's just a 1-point lead. 16 seconds differential between shot clock and game clock. Cabral running the point for Luminair asking for a screen. Cabral, 10 seconds to shoot, 8 seconds to shoot, 6 seconds to shoot, 4 seconds to shoot. Now rebound Cabral, put back on the rebound Santos. Last 14 seconds, last 10 seconds, last 8 seconds. Foul by Taylor. Foul is the number 10, Taylor. First personal foul, 13 foul. Sideline calling. Last 7 seconds. Timeout on. Swiss Warriors calls for the last time. 7 seconds left. Back to the bowling. Last 7 seconds. Sideline calling possession. Swiss Mortgages. 7 seconds left. 7 seconds left. Swiss Mortgages out of timeout. Aldama will inbound for Swiss Mortgages. Mata with the ball. tie the ball game or take the lead. What a hands by Irving Taylor, taking the ball away from Mata. And taking Taylor has the presence of mind to throw away the ball forward past the foul, and he will be in the free throw line for 2 free throws. Carillo is shaking up. Hopefully he's okay. So Carillo sub by Ogod or Delisa. Delisa is in the game or both of them. Delisa is in the game. First free throw is good. Time Bolden, 0.3 seconds left. And this is for the win for Josephson and for Louis Lakin. Chance for the top seed. Technical foul on Chris Morales. Timeout. Technical foul. Did he call a timeout? He called a timeout. Technical foul. Technical foul of Chris Morales. They are in timeout. They call a timeout for technical foul. Technical foul is good for foul. Santos. Pass. That's the end of the moment. Official score 60 for Louis again. 58 for Swiss Mortgages. Top seed or first seed is you. Great game, guys.
Oh, there's no overtime, bro.
Oh my god.
Let's go.